Right guys, we have a lazy spa from St. Moritz, and it has a ripped air tunnel. Now these rip where they inflate and deflate, inflate and deflate, inflate and deflate. Over time they fatigue and become very weak, and they will tear. So it's an easy repair. Keep looking to the end of this video and I will give you a discount code for a repair kit. So watch to the end and grab yourself a kit at a discount price. Right, so for the air tunnel repair, we have the air tunnel and rip repair kit. This comes with the two 5x30cm patches for long rips, perfect for your air tunnel rips. Grab this at lazyrepair.co.uk. So what I've done is scuff the surface of the patch with some sandpaper, scuff the surface of your hot tub as well, then mix up some adhesive. It's 20 parts adhesive to 1 part of the activator. Spread a thin layer onto the patch and onto the hot tub as well. Let that leave to dry for 2 to 3 minutes, and then repeat that process 3 times, so you get 3 layers onto the hot tub and to the patch as well. So with a dear D patch to the tub, you'll have no troubles with that now. Leave it to cure for 24 hours and you'll be good to go. Head over to lazyrepair.co.uk. I'll flash your discount code up onto the screen now for you, and grab yourself a repair kit today.